Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to use Google Meet. It's over here. It's a Google product and how to create or schedule new meeting or classes. So let's start. First of all, you need to search Google search engine in the type in the URL, and after that on the top right corner click on sign in, and after signing in you will get which interface. You will get interface just like you will get after signing in. You will get this interface will appear in front of you just like that. Okay, now after that you need to click on here Google Apps, click on it, and then here quickly click on Meet, Google Meet for scheduling online classes, doing online business. Okay, for collaboration, for making online class to your family, friends, the students. Okay, it's very easy way to collaborate with each other. Get a link you can share. Click on new meeting to get a link that you have that you can send to people that you want to meet with. Okay, everything is written here. It's very user friendly environment of the Google Meet. Google It's a Google product, so just quickly click on Meet, and there are these three options: create a meeting for later, and plus sign, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar for later use. Okay, you can schedule meeting. For example, I want to take this meeting on, let's say, on 15 November, so I will schedule this on Google Calendar. So I want to now start an instant meeting, so just I click on instant meeting and then joining and loading. After that you will see what you will see. Your meeting is ready. Yes, our meeting is ready, almost ready. Oh, here is me. Oh, surprise. Hello, how are you everyone? Okay, actually this was a surprise. Okay, let me turn off the camera. It's over here. You need to turn off the camera. You can mute mute the microphone, and you can raise your hand. I have a question, ma'am, look here, I'm waiting. Okay, now turn on the captions. Okay, captions. Okay, then okay, look there, everything is now appearing over here. Oh my goodness. Fine, good. That's called caption. Okay, got it. And here is what present now. Click on it and you can your entire screen, a window, a tab. Okay, you can restrict the area that your audience will see or observe. It will appear just like that. Okay, and then what we have on these three dots. Okay, yes, whiteboard. Open a jam is a whiteboard. Microsoft के अंदर भी whiteboard है. Then you can open a full screen, open in a picture mode, and there are many more options, and there is settings as well. We will explore later on. So here, if you want to disconnect the meeting, you can simply just click here and you can disconnect the meeting. And here, when you click here, you will get the participants which are right now in your class. So right now I'm only taking class. You can click here, add people, and you can add more people in your meeting. So let's quickly copy this meeting link here. Copy link, just click on it. Successfully copied. Now you can share email with email. You can send instant message. You can share this link using WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. It's somewhere over here. Okay, see you. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Stay tuned.